Are your kidneys feeling a bit sluggish lately? Well, buckle up because today we're embarking on a fruity journey that will revitalize your kidney health. Our kidneys are the unsung heroes, tirelessly working behind the scenes, filtering out waste and toxins from our bodies. When these diligent organs don't get the care they deserve, it could lead to numerous health issues. But fear not, nature has provided us with a plethora of fruits that can help cleanse our kidneys and keep them functioning at their peak. Hey health conscious tribe, I'm thrilled to welcome you to Health and Fitness A to Z channel, your go-to source for all things wellness. If you're on a mission to boost your health and vitality, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, join our community, and let's embark on this exciting journey towards a healthier, happier you. Ready to dive in? Let's do this together. First on the list is the humble apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, and it's no different for your kidneys. Apples are a rich source of pectin, a soluble fiber that can lower cholesterol and glucose levels, helping to keep your kidneys healthy. The high water content in apples can contribute to maintaining proper hydration levels, which is essential for optimal kidney function. Proper hydration supports the kidneys in flushing out waste products and toxins from the body. Next up is the watermelon. This thirst-quenching fruit isn't just for picnics. It's packed full of water and is a natural diuretic which aids in flushing out toxins and excess fluids, easing the burden on our kidneys. Watermelon is rich in antioxidants, including vitamins A and C. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress on the kidneys and supporting their health. Then we have the powerhouse of vitamin C, the lemon. This zesty fruit is not just a flavor enhancer, but also a potent detoxifier. Its high citric acid content helps prevent kidney stone formation, ensuring our kidneys are functioning smoothly. Although lemons are acidic, they have an alkalizing effect on the body once metabolized. This may help balance the body's pH levels, potentially benefiting kidney function. Moving on to the pomegranate. These ruby red jewels are rich in antioxidants and polyphenols, helping to reduce inflammation and eliminate toxins, contributing to overall kidney health. Pomegranates have a mild diuretic effect, promoting increased urine production. This can aid in flushing out toxins and waste products from the kidneys. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants in pomegranates may help prevent the formation of certain types of kidney stones. Let's not forget the berries, specifically cranberries and blueberries. These tiny, power-packed fruits are rich in antioxidants and can prevent urinary tract infections, thus safeguarding our kidneys. Berries are a good source of dietary fiber, which can support digestive health. A healthy digestive system indirectly benefits the kidneys by promoting efficient elimination of waste and toxins. Incorporating a variety of berries into a balanced diet can be a flavorful and nutritious way to promote kidney health. The tropical delight pineapple is another kidney-friendly fruit. It contains bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion and reduces inflammation, promoting kidney health. Pineapple is a good source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports the immune system and may help prevent kidney stones by increasing citrate levels in urine. Lastly, we have cherries. These sweet and tart delights are a good source of vitamin C and antioxidants, which can help keep our kidneys functioning properly by reducing inflammation and warding off damage. Some studies suggest that the compounds in cherries may help regulate blood pressure. Maintaining healthy blood pressure levels is crucial for kidney function. To sum up, these 7 fruits: apples, watermelons, lemons, pomegranates, cranberries, blueberries, pineapples, and cherries, each bring unique health benefits to our kidneys. They aid in detoxification, prevent stone formation, reduce inflammation, and ward off infections. Incorporating these into our diets not only offers a tasty treat, but also ensures our kidneys are well taken care of. As with any dietary considerations, moderation is key, and individual responses may vary. It's advisable for individuals with specific kidney concerns to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Including a variety of kidney-friendly foods in a balanced diet is generally a good approach to supporting kidney health. Individual health conditions and dietary needs vary, and what works for one person may not be suitable for another. Remember, a healthy kidney means a healthier you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Until next time, stay healthy.